Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be guiding you how to use an biology NCERT textbook for your coming board examination or NEET. Before I say the best tricks and tips, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Here are the best ways to read, learn and memorize the NCERT biology textbook and to score well in your coming examinations. These preparation study tips and tricks are surely going to boost your score in the coming examinations. 1. Read every line from the NCERT textbook of class 11 and 12 with an utmost attention. When you are preparing for NEET or board examinations, it is important that you read line to line in depth and you understand the hidden meaning behind it. Moreover, don't skip the scientist data at the beginning as well as the supplementary material, that is summary, at the end of each chapter. These are informative write-ups and questions can be asked from here as well. 2. Understand the concepts thoroughly. One also needs to understand what they are reading so that they can recall and remember. If at all you don't understand your teacher's explanation, you can try alternative options. For example, I will recommend you watching YouTube videos. Video and illustrations are better in the YouTube channels. So you can try certain channels which can gain more knowledge and you can write down your short notes. Highlight the important points in the NCERT biology textbooks. You can use light colored highlighters. For example, it can be orange, it can be pink. Make sure you highlight terms, dates and examples. Use multiple color highlighters and assign specific color codes for different needs. Doing this helps you revise quickly and you will not skip anything. You can understand things better and easier. Use light color highlighters for highlighting text for better readability. For example, for highlighting important dates, use orange. For headlines, you can use pink. 4. Make short notes for quick study and reference. For example, few chapters might be difficult to read, to understand the concept, or to remember. So, in that case, you can maintain a separate notebook or certain yellow sticky notes on which you can write the keywords only, not the whole NCERT textbook. Read this notebook regularly with time. It will help you increase your efficiency. Practice all the NCERT diagrams and give importance to the labeling. Biology is best understood by diagrams and illustrations. Diagrams should be studied carefully because every diagram based question asked in NEET is from NCERT itself. So, labeling and description is important. Practicing and drawing neat and labeled diagrams can help you grasp the concepts quicker. Sixth, revision is the key to score well. Do not revise more than what you're capable of. It will only decrease your performance as it might get boring if you're trying to revise everything in one go. So, break your revision into pieces. For example, mind maps, illustrations, short notes, watching videos, flashcards. All these can help to score you better.
Say what you wanna say to me